Then we come up the table. Check the digit 3. What is the code of 3 at the left hand side? We are not considering right now at the right side. Okay. Now the digit of 3 at the left hand side is 0, 4 times 1, then 0, then 1. So we design the lines. First we have a white line because we are having a code 0. Then we have 4 black lines because we have 4 ones. Then we have 1 white line and 1 black line. Now my left hand side is complete. Okay, now we draw the guard bars, center bar. Now we start the right hand side. My question is at the right hand side is the code at the right hand side is start with 0, 5 and 2. 3 digits again at the right hand side as well. So my first digit at the right hand side is 0. So we again look at the table 0. Now this time because we are designing the right hand side, so we are considering the table, we are considering the code of the right hand side, boys. Okay. So what is the code of 0 at the right hand side? It's 1110010. So it means we draw 3 white lines. So sorry, 3 black lines because we have 3 ones, 2 white lines, 1 black line and 1 white line. So first digit is complete, 0 is done. Now second digit is 5. 5 at the right hand side. पहले हमने 5 at the left hand side draw किया था. But now we have a 5 at the right hand side. So what is the code of 5 at the right hand side? It's 1000110. So we have 1 black line, 2 white lines, 3 black line and 1 white line. It's all together 7 lines and all are having a same length. It is not like this if one line is small and one line is big. All having a same length, same scaling. Now the last digit is 2. 2 at the right hand side. Its code is 1101100. So we have 2 black line, 1 white line, 2 black line, 2 white lines. So in this way, with the help of the table, we draw the barcode. We learn how to draw the barcode. For the designing of barcode, 2 things are necessary. One is the table and second one is the question. If you have a question, so you will divide the question in 2 equal portions and then you considering the table. First you draw the bars at the left hand side, then you will draw the bars at the right hand side. So boys, today we discuss about the barcodes. Okay, so what is the purpose of barcode, how the barcode is look like, what is the structure, it's a vertical line, how it reads, it is read by scanner and it is read horizontally. In the barcodes we are having black and white vertical lines and the purpose of the barcode to hold the information of any product and to hide the information as well. And then we learn how we design this barcode. Inshallah, if we have a physical class, I think you all must purchase your journal. Okay. So boys, if you purchase your journal, so you must practice question of barcode. You just look at the table from this workbook. How you open this workbook? You will. I'm telling you again. You will open Google and here you will write Inqilab Patel workbook. Okay. When you write Inqilab Patel workbook, its first website is O-level computer science notes. You will click on this. Okay. When you will click on this, in the main page you find the folder of notes. आप देख रहे होंगे my screen. You will observe my screen. I open the folder of notes. In this folder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th one. I put the tick mark on the 6th one. This is the chapter input, output, and storage device. Okay. When you click on the download or view, this workbook is open. So you will. I am on page number You will start with the page number 16. I am on page number 21 of this workbook. Okay. So here, from here you will find the table. So kindly start your written task. Okay.
You can find
We will already learn in this section. I already explained. मैं दिखा देती हूँ आपको. You will start with the question page number 16. First you will write the learn page number 16 पे you will write you have a learning outcomes of this chapter input device and output device. So first you start with the title page, then 4 pages for index, then make a title of this chapter input and output devices, and then write this learning outcomes from page number 16 of this workbook. Then you will write a definition of input device, कुछ बच्चे नहीं होंगे आज. Then you will write two definition, manual input devices and direct data entry. Then you will start 2D scanners. 2D scanners we already have done in this section. Okay, 2D scanners की definition. I'm just telling about the written task in your journal. 2D scanners. Then we have how it works and application of 2D scanners. यहाँ तक हो चुका था हमारा. Now today I start the barcodes. Okay, I start 3D scanner. I skip. Today we start with the barcode reader. इसकी uses, advantages and disadvantages I will discuss in the next class.
तो
आज आज हमने क्या
रिटन वर्क
डिस्कस किया
कितना
है?
है, रिटन वर्क
We
कितना है
are
क्लास में?
discussing about the designing of barcode and the definition of barcode and the structure of barcode. Tomorrow I will discuss more about the barcode. And this topic is not finished. We will discuss the theory by tomorrow. Okay.
Miss, can you please put the written work in the assignments of MS Team? Miss, please.
Okay. Okay. I write down the headings. I write down the headings. Okay, you will write first learning outcomes, then the definition of input device. I will prepare a notes proper. मैं इसको screenshot भी ले लूँगी heading wise, and then I will put in the MS Team. So
Okay,
you will
miss.
kindly start your written task in journal, because we have to, maybe we have 2 more weeks virtually. तो उसमें तो बहुत सारे टॉपिक